In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, use this little icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Then look for your photo over here, and when you find it, click on it to attach it. If you can't find it here, select Folders and look for it by tapping on Images at the top, accessing one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your picture here, you can click on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!